What's going on, Fortnite fans? My name's Clumsy No Name, and in this video, I'm going to be opening a mic that my uncle sent me. Gotta make sure not to dox his address, so yeah. We'll give you guys a better angle over here. Okay, there we go. Thank you. Thank you for choosing Sweetwater. We're so glad to have you as a customer, and it's our privilege to be part of your musical journey. Not musical, but okay. If you say sticker. Okay, don't need that anymore. It's literally just in here. I really don't want to rip this box, but I might have to, because I'm too dumb. Oh, there we go. Field guide to the Bumble Bee. I'm not reading through all this, I'm going to be honest with you, so this is it. This is how you use it. Just what's going on, Fortnite fans? Here it is. Probably, nope, there it is. Man, that looks nice, bro. You can just pull it up. What's going on? And you can see here they have knobs on it for mic gain and stuff. That'll really help for me. We should probably test this out during this video, shouldn't we? Because right now I'm just using my phone mic. Okay, we're just gonna go try this out. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna plug it in for the first time down here. It's literally just a normal USB. I don't think I need to show you. Oh my god, it just lit up. Just lit up. That's cool. So for me, I can just put it like right there. Just face it towards me, and like it's all set to go, fam. Now I need to figure out what it's called. That way I can put it in my mic. Bumble Bee. It does seem to be working. I don't know how well. Okay. 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 Just don't mind me. My dog's barking now. Now I need to listen to how that sounds, because I don't know yet. Yeah, that's pretty good quality, I'm not gonna lie. To be perfectly honest, it's not much else I wanna talk about. I used the voice setting, my gain in OBS is all the way up, and it's probably like, it's very close to full volume, and the mic gain on the actual microphone itself. But yeah, thank you, Uncle.